Okay, as was suggested, I'm going to try and build some oil pressure using the starter before the truck starts by pulling the EFI relay, and we'll see if it still makes a nasty startup sound. So looking at the box here, you can see there's the 3 big beside the heater, 60 amp, while the EFI is right there. So looking down, that'll be this guy right here. So I'm just going to pop that out. It's actually in there pretty good. Just gonna put the phone down for a sec. There we go. Finally got it out. Alright, let's see what happens. Let's move some of this stuff. So we're not expecting the truck to start. Unlock the wheel. Bypass the immobilizer, because that sucks. Alright, oil pressure light's out, so we should have primed the engine. Now we'll see if it starts, it makes that nasty sound. If it does, something else is wrong. If it doesn't, it's an oil pressure issue. So I'll take a little Denso guy here, back in, put the cover on after the video. Alright, I'm just going to put the phone out the door so that if it makes a sound, you might get some better audio from this clip. I have a feeling it's not going to make the sound now, but here we go. Started like a champ, so it's an oil pressure issue. So cranking it over with no EFI relay until the oil pressure light goes out, there's no nasty startup sound. So I don't know if it's a VVTi needs more prime of oil, or I think it's hydraulic lifters or something, but I really don't know enough about this engine to be sure. The clutch is busted, the truck doesn't drive, so I've got some time to rip it apart and put some new parts in it, but I really don't want to live with this if I don't have to.